morning. Hope you are having a great morning so far. Currently me and the girls are home. It is hubby's birthday weekend. Just gotta get myself together. Him and Memphis ran out to go get something quickly, so me and the girls are here getting dressed. Arissa grabbed a gel for Fate in the room. So yes, and we're having a so we're getting away, so this will be nice. It's been a while. We needed a family getaway, and yes, it's also Ziggy's birthday weekend too. So big up yourself, Ziggy, from the Newbyfam. And yes, and this is also Mario's birthday weekend too. Their birthdays actually 2 days apart. So me and Nisha decided to do something and, you know, take them out and do something different. So that is what we are up to. So that's the plan. So I am going to go, well, get my face beat and finish getting ready. So I got Mario an early birthday gift. I'm gonna make him open it. So he's only opening one. So I got him an early gift, guys. I'm only gonna make him open one. So let's go see. Hold it. Okay, let's go. Hey, baby.
Hey, Mario.
So it's an early birthday gift. Open it.
But we're not supposed to get the early birthday gift.
Open it. It's your birthday weekend.
No, it's not.
It's your birthday weekend. Open it.
Open.
It's not right.
Yo, we get excited. Open it now.
Open it. It's your early birthday gift. Open it. Don't mind the mess, guys. We're packing to leave.
Remember, please.
Open it.
I'm gonna peel the screen protector off.
Well, guys, he loved his gift. So even though he didn't even want it, but he loved it. Yeah, this one. Just press get. So he loved it. So that is good.
I'm in one of them trying to survive.
What?
Delo, you need another one. Okay, so we are all ready to go. All ready to leave. Get y'all shoes on.
Oh, now let me.
Yeah, we should leave you here.
Why?
See your face?
Why should you leave me?
No, you just ask if we're leaving you.
I was implementing the alone.
So, yes, guys, I'm ready to go. Oh, and my orchid child actually bloomed. Look at it. It came out thing.
Throw the rest of the bottle.
So it actually bloomed.
The rest of the bottle.
So ready to go. Feeling a little bit queasy, but that's okay. We're ready to get out of here. Okay, the bags them need to go downstairs. There's Mario's gonna pack the cooler. I'll close the door. Mario's gonna pack the cooler.
Oh.
So what shoes are you wearing?
My shoes.
Okay.
What?
All right. So the back door needs to be closed. And let's go, guys. Let's go.
And I walk for them.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. The van key? Oh, up there. Memphis, bring the van key on the dresser. Faith, are you bringing your sandals?
I don't know.
Oh shoot, my sandals is on the other side of the shoot. Ugh, I forgot my other sandals. Faith went to go get the van key. Hold on. Whoa. Let's try this off. Let me grab my sandals. Oh, I forgot my sandals, guys. Oh.
Right.
Really, Memphis? I want my other sandals to wear. Faye?
Yeah?
You find the key? Okay, let's go.
I'm bringing it. Ah!
Mario needs it.
Where's my charger?
So you turn off the light.
No.
Put it on your head.
Rissa, what shoes do you have on? Those ones? Okay, I brought your other ones as well. Okay. Alright, we are ready to get out of here.
It's
Okay, so we've left. Yes, everybody is ready. So, all ready to go. And it's gonna be a hot one today. So we got something. Oh, that's nice. Everybody's running away. Oh boy. So yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Surprise trip to the airport.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I'm so sad.
So there's a kid.
Remember to Lucy, look.
Okay, so we're meeting up with the Newbie fam now, and well, let the journey begin. Are you ready, babe?
What?
Are you ready? It's your birthday weekend.
What birthday weekend?
It's a celebration.
Yeah, my birthday weekend. I must say that week.
Why? No, it's your birthday weekend. Your birthday is on Tuesday, so it's your birthday weekend.
You see every time that don't come? We're not post.
Nah.
You see?
Nah.
You really know. You want to bet me? If we reach rain, me turn back. And if yeah, alright, me go on straight, right? Right?
Don't play with me.
No, but I said no. But
Oh my gosh. It's going to be a good and fun weekend. No? It's always the vibes when the Williams family and the Newbie fam will link up. So we're gonna go and we're gonna have a good time. There's so much construction going on. Look at these ones right here.
yeah, the only time I get to do construction, that's summer.
Alright, so we just finished our quick little stop that we make. We're on our way to go get, I need some tea in my stomach. Stomach don't feel too 100. So I didn't have any hot thing in my stomach from morning, so I'm gonna go stop at Timmy's and grab myself a tea. And then, right honey bunny? What?
Right off?
What do you mean right off? I said then we are off. Then we're off for the journey. Yeah, the kids keep asking where we're going as usual. You can't just be surprised and enjoy the ride, huh? Kids. I wonder if that's how I was when I was young.
Maybe.
Actually, no. Exactly, no, I was never like that. One thing growing up, our parents says when we tell you to get dressed, you get dressed. No questions asked. So I was definitely not like that. Babe, you're gonna have to get in that lane.
You think Martin over there?
What do you mean to Martin over where so?
Yes, so.
Oh, you're going to that one.
Oh, we're getting an ice
There's one
cap
over
for
here.
Where?
Just go see. There's Tim Hortons right there.
I want ice cap. Can I have an ice cap?
Gonna go through drive-through, or are you just gonna go in?
Plastic.
Okay, so you have to go. I think. Oh, there's a thing there. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Fate. Listen, one thing you learn: make sure y'all don't owe Fate no money.
I know. Hey, Shann.
Fate no easy at all. Fate's like oh, see people. Everybody's going away, so then they buy them ice and stuff for the cooler. We have ice in ours.
An iced coffee. Wow.
Yeah, we have ice in ours. We don't need to buy ice. The stuff that will keep cool.
Wait, I need one.
Yeah, because I made sure I put them.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, shoot, I have another one.
What?
You hate me so much.
Okay, that's soda.
So, well, when you go in here, you can go in the store.
This one.
Here, there's a
You gonna
store.
buy a puppy now?
Traffic is on the road like crazy. We've reached hot water.
And where is this?
So, we're on our way.
Skyway Bridge.
Skyway Bridge, is that what it's called?
Yeah. Sky Bridge or something like that.
You weren't
So, oh, they actually woke up. This one was sleeping. I guess the itis kick in after we ended up at Tim Hortons.
See me, from behind me.
And yeah, the newbie fam, they're behind us in their vehicle. So happy birthday to Ziggy in advance. Tomorrow is his birthday. Yes. So big up yourself. Yes.
Mr. Leonardo.
Love and prosperity and richness and blessings. Yeah. Yes, blessings have to flow. Yes. So definitely. Are we going? Oh man, we have the AC cool, you see? Lord. You see, they said today with the humidity, it's supposed to feel like it's 40 degrees outside.
It is supposed to rain. But this not feel like 40.
How if it feel like 40 on the AC?
Hello, AC depend low. And if you feel like 40, you have to turn up more.
Well, all the better. That's good.
Sun, you see sun gone.
Yeah, just because the sun is in, that is why.
Because it's gonna rain.
That is why.
I cover man, you trying to want.
I'm hungry. You know me to eat?
You just eat a while ago.
No.
Remember see you depend there, you know?
My foot's not.
Really, babes?
Yeah, but don't see depend there.
What?
Remember don't see depend there.
No. What's wrong with that? Yes, your girl is on a diet. I gotta get my vacation body ready.
So if I'm on vacation, I get vacation body ready?
No, me have to get my body.
So like, 2 vacation I come, so you want vacation body, okay.
No, I gotta get my body the way I had it. Yeah, right. Upright, tight, everything nice, right, and firm. You're so funny. No. But I'm getting myself together. Oh, listen. No, I feel like some jerk chicken. I'm excited. And yeah, and this is Ziggy's first time. Yeah. So this is Ziggy's first time to going to Niagara Falls. Well,
and I first time.
Well, and I first time. It says officially his first time. Because he went there, him and Mario go there for work. They drive here. This is their regular route enough times. But still, it's his official first time, like going, actually, you know, doing stuff, being a tourist.
The beauty is the son of a bathtub they're going to slide on.
You know, I just see the water park that we were at last year.
They're not giving me this have a drive.
Oh, this thing here? Oh, this look like it's nice. Look at this.
There you see.
Oh, wow. Really? Oh, they have a racetrack down here. We would just have to find it. That's what we would have to do. Go-kart? Yes. But this time,
Nobody I go with me.
I'm afraid to drive with Faith because Faith almost mashed up my head.
You didn't drive with me.
No, I didn't drive with you. I said I'm afraid to drive. But you smacked into me.
Well, nobody is driving with me this time.
Faith crashed the go-kart. Nobody drive with you last time, Faith. You drove by yourself and you crashed.
That's great. Nobody driving with me again. No, somebody slammed into me. That's the only reason why I crashed.
I drive with Daddy, I think.
No, you drive with Mama.
Yeah.
Me and Mario.
But this will be different this time because Ziggy's there now, so you know, say as a girl Mario have to go do them competition.
Nobody not go with me.
That's so funny. Eh?
Don't forget Mom.
Rissa? Yeah, Rissa was there, but Rissa drove with, was it me or you?
Yeah, it was you.
No, Rissa drove with me.
Me and Mario raced.
Yeah, and me and Rissa was with me. I'm Memphis alone, Faith alone. And me and Rissa got a whiplash.
Somebody slammed into me. Are you guys gonna listen? Like somebody actually slammed into me. Like
somebody.
2 times.
Somebody.
Yeah, exactly. I got a whiplash. I thought my neck broke.
Hello, me know me lick you. But
Mario
hello.
Almost.
Me crashing a sham, but you think about it. How me the press gas no?
You couldn't stop?
No. Me that is one time I remember saying a break. And that's why I really come in you. But me no hold break no time. Like one time
yeah, it is.
I mean I try to push all the gas through the floor in because you come back and go fast enough.
It wasn't. It was kind of slow.
Because they slow down when they see you speeding too much. They slow down.
When me push it on the gas man till I have foot tired man.
That's so
funny. I want to go faster.
Oh, that thing that we got last time, that chip thing up here? Never, yeah, no, I didn't like that thing. Yeah.
We're underwater.
We're just looking off.
I'm trying to figure out where was it that we walked last time. So let's go to, oh, Marineland is a mile down that way.
Mommy, look. Bro.
Look at it.
Look. Look.
So you see, you do have tourists outside enjoying their meal while keeping their distance. So we're going down here. Down here, so we did walk, I think, babe. Was it down here? Yes, it was. This is the strip. No, it's not busy. What you expect if it be busy is because of the thing. So, and there's IHOP. Remember, IHOP wasn't open when we came.
Last time some people that would get walked over come in, but we had some place big pro.
So we've reached, and there's the Newbyfam. Nyla! What are you crying for? Huh? What are you crying for? Boy, one piece of wind. Oh, piece of wind is up here. Oh my lord. You have garbage? Stop crying now. Huh? Look at you in your cute dress and your cute little hairstyle. Oh, so cute. Look at her just running little high boots. She's like, freedom! Huh? Little face. Huh? I wonder if she's scared of the dinosaur or want to touch them. Okay. Or Memphis, it used to be your favorite. You're like, Mommy, dinosaur! Wait, is it too big for dinosaur now? Hmm? Oh, look at that, the baby hatched. You want the stroller? The kids them checking out. And of course Mario is over here at the... Whoa! Yo, that's scary. Oh, look at this. Bryson, that scared the shit out.
It's a video. Why?
Why? I think the fire.
So if I know you, we're supposed to scared.
First word Ziggy sound.
Does he hear the dinosaur making noise? He growl. What is it growl? What do they do? See, we should go into this. Definitely. Yeah, well, you have next year you can get your license. You excited? Huh? I know. You just see this thing and start screaming, eh? Bring over. You want to touch it? Go see how she would touch it. Oh, she's going. Oh! What? She brave. You know how most kids will be scared of it? What? Yay! Adventurous! So there's a decent amount of people here.
There is a lot of people.
Yeah, there's more people than I thought would actually be here. Like, definitely. But then look how much plane. We've seen 2 planes coming in, right? So there is tourists here because I hear people speaking a whole different language.
I wonder if people let you cross over from the States yet?
I'm not sure. I seen a few people with state license plates, but I know that people are coming in from different parts of the country.
I think we want this after.
Yeah. So yeah, so like you see, the tourists are pretty much back in the swing. Of course, look, Miss Faith doing TikTok. Y'all seem to be some TikTok queen. We stop. And in the snow cone. Look at her face, the crab bar.
Yes.
Good? Look at her face. The water. Okay, let's go. These guys are heading further down. I guess they're thinking about going ziplining, but we'll see. Yeah, we're coming from all the way over there, where you see that round tower there. Aw, Nyla, she's feeding you. How sweet. Good girl, you're feeding your daddy. Huh? I want a picture. Woo! See, you can feel the water off the thing. Feels like it's raining. Then use over there? Over state. Hey, listen, the States is a whole different breed from the Canadians. they do things differently. I don't know why they don't do that over here. Yeah, because the States, the one's open, but
The falls is nice in the night when they light it up.
yeah, the color beautiful. Like later on, it's dark. So nice. I know. Oh, look at that's like. You remind me of my Baba.
I know, Baba.
Whoa. Windy. He say windy. So it is beautiful. So this is where you're looking at is the American side over there. You guys can see people actually right there. And then there's over there. So they're in the blue. Usually when we have the Canadian boat, which is this one here, would be in the red. And look, oh, there's a zip line. You see them going down? So we are going back up. So there's still certain places closed, but majority of it's open. Here is where you can make your own candy. No, not all of it's locked up. Majority of it's open. Right? It's just certain things like where it's too close, they have closed. We got King Kong up there.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.